Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today I have a package from Amazon. I was contacted by Jenna from Amazon. She has an Amazon company or represents an Amazon company. And she wanted to know if I would be interested in sharing a product with you guys. And I said, sure. And she said she would like to send me the POPCHOSE half the time, half the cent shower steamers. Choose what you love. I can tell you the box smells really good. We're going to have 8 aromatherapy show steamers in here, it says. And they are going to be scented all different colors. And she has sent this over for review, and they do have this currently on their site for $8.99. And I'm going to leave a link in my description that will take you right over to the Amazon site. Sometimes they have coupons like on their screen when you go to their page, and if there is, you can click and save. I think right now they have an extra 5%. So you click that redeem on there and you can save 5%. But these are shower steamers, they're aromatherapy. It's an 8-pack shower tablets for self-care and spa relaxation. It's good for gifts, stocking stuffers for women, for Christmas, birthday gifts, for women, men, and anyone who likes, to have a shower steamer and wants to have a spa experience. And this is for adults, and there's 8 scents. And I do know a couple of them are sage and lemon and lavender. Oh, I can smell it as I'm breaking the seal on here. They smell so good. Do you all use shower steamers? They're so relaxing. They give your shower such a nice, relaxing experience in the shower. And it says it's a pragmatic innovation. Discover revolutionary convenience of POPCHOSE splitting line shower steamers, effortlessly splitting shower tablets for instant use. So I guess that means you can split them in half. Oh yeah, looky here. Oh my gosh, guys, these smell so good. So you can save money. You've got 8 in here, but you can actually split it. Oh, it smells so good. This one here is peppermint. Oh, I love the scent of peppermint. And you can see there's a little tray here and there's a little pick here to help you get them out. But there's all different scents here. And oh my goodness, this tray smells wonderful. But you can just use this to pick one out. And this one here is lemon and mandarin. That smells good. And then we have one here that is camille and rose. That smells so good. And then we have, I'm just having fun smelling them. We have sage and patchouli. Oh, that smells good too. I'm afraid they're all going to smell good. This is lavender. Oh, so very nice and relaxing. We have grapefruit. Oh, that smells good. And then we have orange vanilla. Oh, that's a nice one. And then we have this one here, which is menthol eucalyptus. Oh, that smells good too. And like I said, you have your little pick here. It comes with product information to tell you all about it. They also have other products, and this says, thanks for purchasing POPCHOSE shower steamers. The founder of POPCHOSE always believes that no matter when people should get along with themselves in a pleasant mood, insist on aromatherapy, self-care for rejuvenating their inner side, removing anxiety and refreshing your beauty. And then it goes on to say, it's a small business startup. Your support and recognition makes us more determined in our business. We will handle every order carefully and serve every customer with a sincere heart. At the same time, if there's anything not as you expect, please allow us to send you a sincere apology for that. We hope you can contact us first and give us your valuable advice. And then, of course, they give you information on how to reach them. And it's their mission to have 100% customer satisfaction and to let more customers know about the advantages of self-care through aromatherapy products. And our team solemnly promises for our products, no matter if you have any dissatisfaction, unconditionally provide you with a full refund or exchange. And that's their sincerely yours, the POPCHOSE team. So that is really cool. And then I think they have sent me a little baggie. So like, you know, when you break it off in half, oh, it smells so good. When you break it in half, you can put the other half in here to save it until you use it. So that is just excellent. They've thought of everything. And then they have a little booklet in here that you'll get. And it's just about be life, be beautiful like summer flowers. This smells good. I don't know if it's just your little thank you note. I think it is. It's just telling you about the POPCHOSE shower steamers. So wow, and I don't even know if I'm saying that correctly, so y'all have to just correct me or just kind of laugh. I'm not sure. But these are really nice. So you get 8, but if you cut them in half, you've got 16. Oh, and they smell so good. I just can't go over that again on how well they smell. Thank you, Jenna, for sending these over. And again, right now they're on sale. They're like $8.99, and you can save an additional 5%. And it is at Amazon. And again, I'll have that link down in my description, and you can just pop right over there and get you your own set of shower steamers. And they're colorful, they smell good. It'll be like a spa day. So if you've got a day set aside, or even if you just want to have a spa day every day, oh yeah, I would probably want to have a spa day every day. So you can use these every day. And this would be 16 times that you could use it. So that is excellent. So as for today and the POPCHOSE shower steamers, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.